So hey guys, welcome to my channel, myself Adhil Reddy, and today I'm going to unbox my new camera gimbal, and it's also called as camera stabilizer. And so this is a best gimbal at this price range, so I'm going to show it right now. Tada! It's Moza Aircross 2 professional camera gimbal or stabilizer. So before going to this, I'm going to say one point this about this product. So it's a best budget gimbal, camera gimbal. As you can see, it's a price range about 30,000, and which it's a good product at the price range. And as you can see here, there's a stabilizer and with camera. Actually, camera is not included in this, so mind it first of all. And so I'm going to unbox it right now and just jump into unbox. Here is my unboxing knife, and we'll unbox it right now. And wait, we'll cut off here. We'll plug it off. Yeah. So dabang. So this is the product after removing the thing. So I'll also cut the stickering here. We'll just keep this knife this side, so it's safety is first priority. So we'll open it. Kolja Sim. So 3, 2, 1. Tada! It's Moza's suitcase. When I see this, I feel like James Bond ka movie hai na, wo log like they'll be carrying some suitcase में gun वगैरह, ऐसा ही लगता है मुझको. So we'll unbox it. We'll remove the wrapper of the thing. So yeah, we'll remove it. कैसे remove करना है यार? I didn't ever think how to cut a cake, but I'm thinking for this how to unbox it. Hey, already they are opened it. Yeah. So, actually here you can see there is a lock mechanism which you can lock it and unlock it. So it's kind of interesting, and here a suitcase wala ka holder hai. When you take the camera out, it's very hard to carry, like gimbal हाथ में रख के ऐसा जाना बहुत awkward लगता है. इसलिए this is the best thing. You have a carry suitcase here. So हम अब अंदर देखेंगे क्या है क्या what is there and what's not there. मैं अभी हिंदी में जा रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों, but we'll jump into this box and we'll see right now. So guys, as you can see here, we can see the Moza branding here. It's a mini suitcase for the gimbal, and we'll open it. So as you can see here, you can see the lockup system here. So it's locked right now, and you can't open it very easily. And if you open it like this, so it will open. So Kolja Sim. Wow, guys, so exciting! It's my first gimbal. So as you can see, here is a Moza Aircross 2 gimbal in front of you. This is a mini tripod for the gimbal. Because we want to stabilize the camera first, in the sense we have to set the correct measurements for the camera to stabilize it. So we need a stand for that, so we can use this stand. It's aluminum case. Actually, to say, in many other brands will not get a mini tripod for gimbal. So it's a plus point that we are getting a small mini tripod for this. So I'm good with that. You can see a small box here. So in this you can get some bunch of adapters and some bunch of charging cables. You can connect this to the thing here. I'll show you afterwards. So you can connect it, and directly it will be connected to the camera. So you can charge it up with this battery itself to your camera, or else you can you can power up the eye focus ring. अभी मैं आऊँगा उस टॉपिक के लिए. So this wires will be having all the things. So it's a good point that they have given the wires to us. So this is the focus rod. Before I was saying about the thing regarding the focus wala. So actually this is the rod and the lens supporter, and actually it will be placed on the gimbal like this. So the focus ring will be coming here, and it will act like a supporter for the lens. If you use a big lens for your camera, it will be used as a supporter. And you know, actually a focus, the focus it's called Moza iFocus. Yeah, iFocus, yeah. So it will be mounted here, and the ring will be attached to the lens, and whenever you want to zoom or else you want to focus, you can use it that by using the smart wheel. Actually, to say it's pretty useful for the professionals, but as we vloggers, it's not that much necessary, because I'm using Sony A Alpha 6300, which the focus is best in that camera. So I don't need a separate focus for that. So I'm happy with that. This is the focus rod, and finally, if you come here, it's a gimbal Moza Aircross 2. No, I don't know, the name is so exciting, right? The Moza Aircross 2, yeah, like iPhone 11 Max X Pro, Max X, nahi, iPhone Max Pro, like this. So Moza Aircross 2, guys, yeah, the build quality is so nice, you know. Yeah, I can feel the texture. Yeah, I can feel the it's built like to rocket, you know, rocket. Yeah, so this is the thing. You know, you'll be getting a lock here, 3-axis lock. You know, this price range you'll be getting many features. So this is the gimbal. As you can see here Moza branding, and Moza here, and another Moza here. So full 360 degrees you can rotate all the motors. So it's a kind of good thing. And you can see here, we can see a wheel, and in that power button, and you know, it will be glowing when you start or else when you do anything, it will be glowing. So it's like attractive thing for some members. For some members it's like so annoying to them. Yeah, we'll leave it that side. So here you can see an Oled display, a joystick, a controller. Like if you want to select anything, you can use this. So you can navigate from this thing and this thing also. If you want to you know, if you want to rotate this thing, you can use this for this. You can also do it. Actually, it's called smart wheel, that's why it can do pretty much everything. Yeah, this is the gimbal, and I forgot to show, this is the battery for the Moza Aircross 2. No, actually they said it is 1.5 hour. It will be powered up very fastly. I have to check it. So yeah, it's nice. You know, we can get a rubbery grip here to hold it. So you can see here we can get trigger button. Like matlab, if you want to vlog like this, if you double tap or triple tap, the camera will move on us, and we can take the shots from in front of us itself. Or if you tap on this, the camera will rotate backside and we can take the shots. So yeah, you know, pretty much all new features are there in this. So guys, as I said before, how can we I'll be saying how to use the mini tripod to stabilize it, I mean like to stand it. So I know there is a two threads here, so you can make it stand by using this. So you know, you can just keep it in the correct hole, and you can just expand it like this, and see, tada, you know, without any help, it can stand by itself. So you know, actually there is a L bracket to, you know, yeah, you know, actually the L bracket will be it will be set up here. No, it will be set up here, so that you can mount your camera and you can easily remove it with no issues. And you know, actually it's a L bracket, right? So you can record video vertically or horizontally. And you know, if you ask why we need vertical you know, video, it's for like you can shoot it for Instagram, Facebook, or else, you know, for short stories. You can just you can use the L, you can use like this, or else normally we will be using like this for cine photography, or else for cinematic shots we can use like this. So yeah, pretty much these are the accessories which you will be getting in the box. So this is the Moza. I'm sorry, I'm showing the back side. Very no, it's annoying, right? If you know something went wrong and afterwards you want to correct, it's very annoying. So yeah, it's you can see here OLED and the joystick, as I said before, and the smart wheel here, and the smart wheel here though. So yeah, I'll be posting a video regarding this about a review about Moza Aircross 2 and how to stabilize your camera, how to use your gimbal. So I'll be posting a video very soon, and for amazing content, for amazing videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video to your friends, so that it should be shared among yourself, so that it's like a good support which I'll be getting from you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, stay safe, and be home. I'll be back with my new video. Tata, bye bye, see you once again.